It is simple but sexy, you know? Yeah, we're going good. Salam. I got pow, pow. You up? Morning. Oh my god, my throat is like a frog. Oh my god. The nails here won't come off of me, I know. Same thing this morning again. I really don't just want to put the tablet here. Oh, the stuff then for go back. Return them here today. The case them wrong. The case and the screen. The case and the screen protector. The wrong size. So I carry them back today. Hopefully the money come back on the Amazon account. I'm just reorder at the same time. But I'm gonna walk with it so I can go and edit when I'm there at work. But this fit perfect. And I kinda get a next one with the same color. I couldn't get the same one because them don't have them in that size there. But the one I get is basically the same color, it's just different pattern. But anyway, let's go. It's raining. Oh my god. Maybe a great man take Uber go work. Because I can't bother with this every day. Oh my god. Hate that. Hate that. That took a lot. The only good thing about that cover up is that it keep your car warm. So right now in here warm even though it was snowing last night. Good morning cuties. Good morning newbies. Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, my name is KN2Cute. Welcome to the channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, all that good, nice stuff. Share the video, all those nice stuff. To all my cuties, guys, thank you so much. I love y'all. And I appreciate you guys. I do. The love is overwhelming. But anyway, we are back at it again with another one. Today is Thursday, I want to say. Yes, it's Thursday because today is my orthodontist appointment. So we have a little bit of runnings to do today after work. And then, yeah, that should be it. So I am going to get my butt to work. And then we talk to you when we get off work today. All right, bye. Ooh. Still a rain. So I'm getting off work. I'm gonna I don't even know because my doctor's appointment is at 2:40. I mean, yeah, the dentist appointment is at 2:40, so I got out of work early. But I have so much time. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should like go drop all the stuff then first. But when I'm gonna do a look and see what's the which one of them fire. See which one they will go first. Okay? Hold on. Woo. I'm not lying to you guys. All of this clothes is making me hot. It's really making me hot. Can't deal with it. There's not too much things. Too much. Whole Foods supermarket near me. Oh, I need to get some gas first. 9 minutes, not bad. I like when it come up on my app, because I'm not out for that something I send up on the highway, guys. I'm not out for it at all. On my app, I put in Avoid Highway.
Head west on Niles Street toward Marshall Street.
So any address I put in, it give me the route where I avoid the highway. When I use the car thing, it carry me all over the place. Look, you see me and jump on the highway and trust me, I go up on the highway, I go ball. I will be crying. But anyway, let's go. We're gonna go to Whole Foods, drop off them package here. Okay? Alright. I think it's pump 3. $50. 50? Yeah. Crazy. I don't understand that. I don't know. Let's wait till we go in that car and see if it's full. Because if it's full, something is wrong. Because as far as me know, a $70 full my tank. And one little strike in my tank a while ago. Which means I probably 50 something, 60 I go full it. But it got $38 and now I'm gonna further. So I don't know. Let me see something. The tank actually full. The tank full, that's crazy. That's a little weird because let me tell you this is $70 full this. $70 full my tank and it was on the last line. The car will tell us say your car need gas. No gas in your car. So $38. No, me have to come back here, so. This is the first time I come at the gas station here. But I have to go come back, yes, so. Because, wow. This remind me, I'm a red car. $38 is crazy. I'm gonna have to come back a second time and see if them have some type of special today or something. Cause $38 from $70? Crazy. Alright, let's go. Back on the journey. Guys, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are your Valentine plans? What not do for Valentine's? Wanna plan. Everybody in here got a bae. Everyone got a bae, a boo, a husband and all them stuff. I know you guys are gonna see this like a week, probably after Valentine's, but nevertheless, happy Valentine's Day to all of my cuties. Hope you guys have fun. Love upon on a man, upon on a woman, and go out on yourself. And if you're single, love upon on yourself. Because I'm about to do that. Yes, my love. So yeah, have fun. Alright? Anyway, we're gonna go on our journey. I'll see you guys when I get to Whole's Food. Alright. Oh shit. Oh my god, I need the phone. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the phone. I'll be back. I left the phone with the charge. And I couldn't tell me. And I couldn't say, can. You're gonna need the phone. The phone having the freaking return code. Oh my god. Dumb, bro.
So both items
Right.
are right?
They're both in there, yeah.
All right. And are these only two items you're returning?
Yes.
Okay. You're all set.
Alright, thank you.
No problem.
That's why I love returning here, because it's so easy. Just drop off. You don't even have to put them in a bag. Just drop off them, scan the code, you can buy your business. By the time you look, your money there back for your Amazon card. Fast and quick. So by the time I reach home, I can order back the correct one. And then come by tomorrow. Okay? Alright. That's that. I really want that area to pull up until tomorrow. Because I get it done Saturday. But I get it done Saturday for go put like water on my finger. Oh, come on. Yeah, I don't want it pull up because I wear it tomorrow wherever I go for Valentine. Fix man and stop axo. Stop one like you're brand new. Look at water, guys. Look at water. Good. See? Better. Right? Yeah. North. North that's all. No, north that's all. Anyway, we figure it out. Oh, thank you. Hi.
Are you checking in?
Yes.
What's the name?
Kadisha is. I'm a little early.
What time is your appointment for?
2:40.
They're at lunch now. They come back at 2.
Okay.
Hopefully we can get you in early, okay?
Okay, thank
can
you.
Have a seat. You're welcome.
Okay.
Have you been wearing your rubber bands?
Yeah.
Yes. Any issues or concerns with your brackets?
No, not with the practice, no.
What I'm going to do is remove like the old colors that you have, and then I'll have the doctor come over and take a look. Okay?
Yeah, and usually they take the thing out so I can floss.
And floss?
Yeah.
No problem. All right. So I'll take-
You want me to remove these?
you can use them.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, same. Same.
Did you guys bring the box for me? 5 to 5 in the top. This is Dr. Trey. Australian wire PC 5 to 5 in the top. Open bit. Same lower wire and PC 7 to 7 in the bottom. Alright? Next visit, watch midline.
In 8 weeks?
6 weeks.
And do you know what color would you like for today? Oh, let me show you this.
Oh, they're putting about the separate wires then?
So we're gonna place the new wires on the top, and then we're gonna put a power chain.
On the. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Alright, so. I'm gonna do
The red.
no more motor hurt me. No more motor on fire. Oh my god, me come out, me not get no shit. I have to go back. I have to go back for wires. 6 weeks, I don't have enough for last one for 6 weeks. I don't. I really don't. Should be able to look through the pictures that you and if you want to sort them like by day, you can click this middle one right here. Okay, so if I go here, can I can pick multiple? Yeah, you can pick multiple. Okay, thank you. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay, come off the damn screen. 20 hours straight is crazy. Why? This thing is. Come running. Alright. I'm done with this road now. Time for go me. Time for go home and eat some food. I was to my auntie, me always hungry. More hungry. Time for eat now, man. It's 4:05 now. I'm not eating for morning. I haven't eaten anything all day. So I'm going to go home now and figure out dinner. Alright. Good morning, cuties. Good morning, newbies. So I'm here. I'm at work, but my client is still at dialysis. So I'm just sitting in the car and editing. No, every time I'm editing, I have my meet up in this little jam where me have to wonder how much things me have to cut out. Like if me edit a video and it reach an hour, or right now, like for instance, right now, the one I'm editing is like an hour and a half. And me cut out so much out tight already. So I always meet up in this question, in this what would you call it? Like this debate with myself. The people them not gonna watch the video if it's so long. The people them won't watch it. Nobody not watching a long video. But nevertheless, the question is serious, and whether you're a part of the team or you just stop by and listen to the video. What is the longest video that you would watch on YouTube when it comes to a vlog? What is the longest? So, I want to know. Instead of me sitting every time and I wonder, oh God, this is my throat, Jesus, Wagwan. Can I sign this? Anyway, I gotta shut up right now. But the question is important. So whether you're a cutie or a newbie or you're just a passerby or it no matter, I want to know the answer. What is the longest vlog you would sit and watch on YouTube? Please answer that question for me right now down in the comment section. Alright? Some of that feel wonder and ponder when me edit. Alright? Thank you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna finish edit and wait for my client. Bye guys. When that? Hold on. 13:30. Albany Avenue. Comfy. What's up, my beautiful, cute family? It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Happy holiday. Well, it's not a holiday, but you know what I mean. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, one more glass there. Sometimes the bugger really just piss me off. Too big, man.
Head west on Nile Street toward Marshall Street.
Alright, guys. We are going to the beauty supplies to get some here. Alright. So come on. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Let's go. We're here. This is driving me crazy. I need some bump patch. Cute, right? I think I'm just gonna do the black. Cause I'm very confused right now. My arm one shave, but now look tonight. One next night that shave. What's up, cuties? It is Valentine's Day, which is a night. A night about after. See? Valentine's soon over. It's literally 10:30 right now. But I did edit a little bit because the editing a beat my bad. I can't manage it. The scent for tonight is the YSL. And I'm gonna pair it with the Givenchy. You know? Saying that out loud, I think that gonna work. Because them two are very strong. Very, very strong. So I'm gonna think two good but too strong. So I'm gonna change it, try some more soft. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use this. I think it's called Lancome. I can't pronounce the name, sorry, but bad. Bad. Oh God. Sweet. Sweet. Anyway, so this is the look for tonight. I don't know if y'all could see. Let me. So this is the look. It is simple but sexy, you know? Yeah. Let me show y'all from this angle. I got this bodysuit from Amazon. Boots, Fashion Nova. Jewelry sheen except for my Movado and my everyday gold jewelry. But this is from Shein. So cute. Right? Love that. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna add this jacket. Damn, girl, you really get fat. Oh my god. The jacket can't fit me. So the night can't fight in this, you know. That's it. That is it, guys. We are out of here. Oh no, I'm not on a bag. I need a bag. I'm gonna pick. All right. Oh, is it too much brown for your this bag? Is it too much? Cause this match my jacket. But I'm gonna also wear. So I could do this. I could do this bag, or I could do the little Louis bag. Oh, the Louis bag match the Louis bag match the bodysuit way more. This matches the jacket, which I think is so cute. Plus, me don't want to put none over me, so I'm gonna wear this because I don't want to strap anything over me. All right, so I will see you guys in the club. Okay.
Make sure I buy some more porridge. Porridge in Baltimore again. I am good for your body, and then me I eat so much rice.
You can see what others don't. As leaders in commercial property.
Good morning. My hand them dry. My hand them dry bad. Good morning, cuties. Good morning, newbies. How y'all doing? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Some just don't wash me ear. Boy, I'm saying me don't go one little ear montage, but damn. The camera start with it, I'm saying, no, sir. Not do it today, not today. Anyway, I head to my ear appointment. Yes, I'm going to my head because I leave tomorrow. I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell you guys where I'm going. But yeah, it's going to be a big one. A big, big one. All right, so I'll get me hair done. And then, I don't know what time of the appointment. I think at the 10 o'clock. But me send her a message and she not answer. So I just drive go to the shop and see what's up. And 11 o'clock now. 11:48. Oh my God. The girl probably gone about her business and they visit me again. And I have to go to work. And I have my nails appointment today too. That's crazy. But anyway, let me get on things. I'll talk to you guys in the little more. Alright? Bye. Different color. What's up, cuties? As you guys can see, my hair is not done. Because the people them say, tomorrow I'm here appointment. But she go try to squeeze me in today because tomorrow I live. My them look swell. So, I'll get some food. But I don't know, but the food don't look good to me at all. The food not give me no vibes. The food. I just buy a while ago curry. I buy curry goat and banana. But
everybody me here from here, but Jamaica would have fired.
it's not the curry goat and banana at all.
It tastes like grease and banana.
No, what this tastes like?
So that's what you have to. That never sell that. What stuff sell? Real what stuff sell?
Yeah, real goat now sell again. You have to definitely buy one goat and kill him. Forget goat.
Yes, sir. And then again, them kill the goat too early.
Yeah, so the goat them now get for rank.
Then now get for rank. Then now swap. One goat could have done for cottage hill. I have money done so.
Ali. Me? May I go Burlington side? But you know they down there, sir?
Yeah, walk. Me have to walk.
Come me drop you. What's up, cuties? I almost finished. I got my eye done. I got my nails done. Hey, can you tell by my nails where I'm going? Is it giving away the location? I love them though. So pretty. So pretty. She did a good job. I love that. Yeah, I know. I'm pull up back at the hairdresser. She said 5 o'clock at 4:33. So I'm gonna do that. Should I get one patty or something? I buy one food earlier. I say nothing not taste bad and smell bad. Nothing but the food not good. But yeah, I'm gonna do my ear here now. Oh my God, Kofarid. Jesus, no sir. What have to fix? I'm gonna go get my hair done. He braid them here. I do some African. I'm at the camera, babe, so. I do some African style. With my, you know what? Bye, guys. Like more when I reach home. Right, so I'm done. Forgot you gotta remember about all of that too.
That was so good. Did it? That was like, so good. So good. Brother.
They're cool. Girl, it's like Ja! Rastafari. Listen, I love it. I
Yeah,
love
look
it.
real nice on you.
Thank you so much. You did a great job.
Thank you. See how much there was today, just now?
Nikki.
480.
Yeah, I mean, no. A twin, boy and girl.
So it's
Nikki
gonna
and
cost
Ricky.
Nikki and Ricky, I can't.
73.
Can you tell by my hair and my nails where am I headed to? Can you go in the comment section right now? Tell me. Tell me, just check out the locks. Got it? And then just check out the nails them. Tell me if you can actually tell where I'm going. Just see if you can peep it and tell me. But anyway, I'm about to end this vlog right here because as you don't know me, I leave a man in. So I don't know if I told you guys. I'm not sure if it's this vlog or the last vlog. I did some returns because I get the tablet and the case from my feet. That was the wrong case. So I ended up returning it and the screensaver. This look like it's the right one. I end up I forget something I don't want because I need it for travel with. Because this it's so thin and look like if it drop it dead. If it drop it done. So I end up get this one. Just a regular little pink case. When me come back, I go find one nice. One nice one. But for now, I just go work with this. I never used to say the back of this I see through. Didn't see that. The case is here. It's good. It's not bad. I paid like $18.99. Next. I want to share. I want to share. She sing for you? You sad? No. I sang. They was trying to prank me today. Somebody messed it up. Not them the on camera and try to prank me. I idiot them. But look good in a vlog. All mood and do is just make so the things them not come. What you think like What is this? This is for the so this I paid $5.95 and it is let's see our screen protector for the camera. For the screen and for the camera part. That trying to protect this camera as much as possible. You know what I mean? Yeah. And this is the glass, the screen protector for the tablet. And I paid 15.97 for this one. I told me it. Nice. Two coming out. Alright. So my cuties, this is the end of this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Okay? I would really appreciate it. Yes. And to all my newbies, guys, welcome. Feel comfortable. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay? Go for it, man. Bumbo, clean. Yo, we back there, sir? Jenny's Drakit, why make you do this to me? Why? Oh my God. Me never do this to Tisha. Why you do this to me? Why? This is not too much head. I said them had the wrong nails for that area. Wrong nails. But anyway, why am I ashamed of that bed? Let me turn on this. All week, me I don't know one little spot, you know? Me I do it before I go away. Me I do it tonight. But anyway, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, okay? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Please share the video. Send it to someone. Tell somebody about the channel. Let us get big. 100K. 100K this year, okay? Why not? Girl chest eye. Girl chest eye. Bad, 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 bad. But yeah, we're on the road to 2K, guys. Let's get there. Help me get there because I cannot do it by myself. I'm trying, but I cannot. All right, guys, and please go follow me on my social media platform. That's what I'm saying. Guys, please follow me on my social media platform. KN2Cute all over the place. Instagram, TikTok. I don't know what Snapchat is. I'm gonna figure that out and tell you later. But yeah, bye. Love y'all. I will see y'all in. See? Come tell them to share. Come. Tell him we are telling him. Come now, man. Tell him we are telling him now. Tell him to like, comment, and subscribe now.
Mom.
Tell the people him now. Huh? Yes. Don't I look like an African queen?
You are my African.
Yeah, African queen. Shala. I got. Pow, pow. Charge. Anyway, guys, this is the end. Bye. Oh shit. My dumbass is recording, but I don't know how to stop it.